G'day guys, today we're going to be making some pizzas and doing them in the Acorn Kamado Junior. We've got some coals going. Basically we've just got some dough, we've got some polenta and flour. So we'll roll out the dough, we'll start putting our pizzas together. We've got the polenta and flour just so it doesn't stick to our pizza spatula. I find that the polenta really helps to slide the pizzas off onto the stone. I'm not going too over the top today. Just got some ham, pepperoni and cheese. So that should do for our dough. Stupidly, I didn't bring a spoon out, so I'll just spread that on by hand. That's alright. I like to add a little bit of cheese. Put pepperoni on. Pizzas are great if you want to use up any leftover brisket or pulled pork or lamb, even chicken. Will make great toppings. I don't usually have any left over, so I don't have any to go on the pizzas today, but if you do, they make for some great pizzas. A bit of that ham on. So we'll try and get the temperature of the Acorn Junior up to about 550 to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. Pizza should hopefully take about 6 or 7 minutes, I reckon, at that temperature. A little bit more cheese on top. That's the pizzas done. What I also like to do, you can get your pizza spatula, put a bit of that flour and polenta on it as well. You don't want your pizza base sticking to your spatula, otherwise you're going to create a huge mess. You're going to find it very hard to get the pizza off onto the stone. So it looks like the coals are just about ready, so I'll dump them in the Acorn. So let's put the coals in there. What we can do, put a grill on top, and let our stone heat up. Just place the stone over your grill, shut the lid, open up all your vents. Want to get it as hot as possible. So like I said, we want to get that up to about 550, 600 degrees. Then we can put the pizza in. That's ready to go. A few flies hanging around because it's a hot day. I'll keep an eye on that. So once we get up to temperature, we'll put the pizza in. Alright, it's up to 500 degrees. That's close enough for me. So we'll see if I can get the pizza in without stuffing it up. Right, pizza just fits on the stone. So close the lid before we lose too much heat. Shut it back up. Good thing about this is you can shine a light in there and keep an eye on your pizza. So we'll give it about 5 or 6 minutes. We'll come back and see how it is. Alright, it's been about 7 minutes. See how it's looking. It looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. I think it's ready. So you see them coals are red hot. Stayed at about 450 after I opened the lid. So now it's time to slice it up and eat it. So as you can imagine, this is super portable. Take that out camping. You can do a roast, barbecue, smoke some meat, do some pizzas. Pretty versatile little cooker, so go check them out at your local Bunnings. I'm going to get stuck into the pizza, so we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.